Hi, thanks for joining me again. I'm Scott, personal trainer with Gradual.Fitness, and today we're doing another 6-minute ab workout in our 6-minute ab workout series. This one's going to just continue to build on the ones we've done before, maybe progress it. So we're going to work on boats, planks, side touches, and some bridges. So you can fast forward to that chapter now if you want, but otherwise I recommend warming up, taking a 20-30 minute walk, maybe at least right now, standing in place, doing arm circles. And then once you've done my video or anybody else's video, I recommend doing them again because you'll spend more time working out and less time learning and engaging in that process. So let's get going here. The first thing I want to do is the most important, what I would consider the most important ab workout, which is bridges. And we're going to do 6 1-minute increments here. So first thing you want to do is put your heels next to your glutes. And we're going to just slowly rotate our back down and our pelvis up. And we're going to hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly lower down. Don't lower all the way. Come back up. Hold it. Slowly lower down just a little. Come back up. Another pulse down. Come back up. Another pulse down. Come back up. Down. Up. Hold it here. If you need to, take a break, but otherwise hold here. We should be progressing through and being able to tuck from our inner under core here. Let's lower down. Bring the feet a little bit closer to the glutes again and really drive through the heels. Push up, hold through, engage your quads, your glutes, your hamstrings. Heels are strong. All right, let's go down now. So keep to the side and then let's just, or feet close to the glutes, and then let's just side touch here. Just a little bit above the ankles here. Nice rotations here, like you're on a swivel in the middle here. Kind of show you. So you're not just swinging yourself, you're rotating through the obliques and the lower core. Don't strain your neck, bring your chin towards your chest. If you've got it, come up a little higher towards the knees, holding up here. All right. Take a deep breath and break if you need to. Otherwise, keep going. I prefer to keep going. Side touch up. Maybe go up higher, go middle, go down some. Right? All right. Take a couple deep breaths. So now we're going to go over to our back. Our front rather, and we're gonna put our hands right near our shoulders, and we're gonna straighten our legs and push up into a plank here. Gaze forward, out ahead of you, arms strong underneath, hands like this, right? We're gonna take 5 deep breaths here. Just coming off the holidays here, so if thinking about planks is too much, let's think about what we can do to kind of correct our diet here a little. Myself, I've been eating a lot of cake, some cookies. My friend sent me some cookies, so let's slowly lower down. Take 2 deep breaths, push up. If this is too much, come up on your knees, otherwise up on your feet. And like I said, I've been going at the cake, desserts, so it's the new year. It's time to kind of turn that over. Take another deep breath here, let that plank go. All right, so now we're gonna go back on our back here, and we're gonna do what are called boats. So tuck your chin here, and then let's just lift our arms and our feet up like this, right? And then slowly lower down. And then come up and hold this for 5 here, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come back to this position here, or else, if you can, come up to here, full boat, right? Slowly lower down like this. If not, just go up to the little quarter boats we were doing like this, right? If not, if you can, come up here, slowly lower down. Come back up here. Slowly lower. Come back up. All right. If you don't have the flexibility like I do, it's okay that your feet aren't perfectly straight. Let's lower down again one more time here. All right, feet close here to the glutes. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just come slowly roll up from side to side. A little bit of chop to each side. Really gonna feel this. Keep going across the side inner obliques here. Right? Maybe just come up and hold 2, 3. Come up, hold 2, 3. 2, 3, right? Now, and the next one we're gonna do here, we're gonna do one more plank to close it out. Maybe come up a little higher on these. The last couple seconds, a little slowly roll it up. All right, let's turn over real quick. On the knees, hands engaged here. Let's straighten out our back, our glutes, everything in straight line from top of the head to the heels. 5 deep breaths here. Let's think about what we're gonna get rid of in our diet here. Let's try and get down to that once a week, right? You gotta make a sacrifice in there, but if you cut everything out all at once, slowly lower down, other things will come in to replace them. So you gotta focus on just taking one thing out at a time in your diet. I recommend trying to find the salt or sweet that you really have a hankering for. Just try and say, I won't have it till next weekend again. Slowly lower down again. Let's come back up. Hold it on your knees or your feet if you have to. Otherwise, let's run it out here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, thank you guys for joining me. Hopefully this has begun to kind of engage your core and really work it out and give you more strength, and even in posture and your seating and stuff like that. Until next time, like I said, dig in, find that one thing in your diet to knock out, and I'll see you guys soon.